Do you live in a state of excellence or average? Do you end the day, go to bed at night, saying to yourself, I did well? Well, in this video, I am going to help you up-level from the level of average to level of excellence living. My name is Desiree Mangendog and welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified when a new video is up every Tuesday. It feels so good to have pride in the way that you live and what you put out there. You want to extract the best parts of you in the way that you parent and the way that you do your work and the way that you connect with the people in your life. Well, I want to teach you about lime essential oil. This is a very inexpensive essential oil that can raise your level of standards significantly. Let's face it, sometimes we just don't care. We're too tired. We don't have enough energy to live in this state of excellence. I completely understand. And also, we go to bed at night having some regrets and not feeling fully satisfied with who we are. We want to end the days feeling satisfied. Yes, that you have peace within your heart, that you've shown up completely in the best possible way. So lime has multiple functions. Well, the first function is that it actually gives you some drive and some ambition and some desire to improve. It ignites that fire. It ignites that excitement and that thrill to do better. And secondly, it is wonderful at raising our level of standards. I did a video not too long ago about you don't get your goals, but you get your standards. What is the bare minimum that you're willing to tolerate in your life? And so let's raise that up. You can check out this video. Here's the card up above. But we can raise that level of standards with lime. Lime makes you want to be better. It just naturally does that on its own. It makes us want to create a different outcome for what we're experiencing. And the third most precious aspect of lime essential oil is that it is wonderful at giving us resourcefulness. It helps us take what we currently have in our lives, like the resources that we have, the gifts that we have, the items that we have in our home, or the people that we have in our lives, and arrange it in a way that we are getting max benefit from what we currently have. It's not like you got to go buy another thing or add a new thing. You already have everything you need. That's the point with lime. You already have everything you need, and all you got to do is put together the stuff that you have, and then poof, you have this incredible thing that just comes to fruition. An example I like to give is, let's say you have nothing in your pantry. It seems like you have nothing in your pantry. You have nothing in your fridge. You really don't have much to cook with. Like, you can't even imagine a meal to make. But then you have your friend that comes to visit who is probably a chef and just takes a look at what's remaining, right? What do we got left right now? What do we have to work with? And then just takes the stuff from the fridge, takes them from the pantry, from your spice rack, and like whips up this delicious meal that you would pay a lot for to eat. And it was extraordinary because that chef was resourceful, got creative, got inventive, took what was already there and made something exceptional out of it. So that's what I love about lime, is that it takes what you currently have and makes something exceptional out of it. So let's rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being you're fully satisfied with your level of excellence and output and standards, and 0 being not. What number would you give yourself? Comment below. How would you rate yourself in the way that you're nourishing yourself, taking care of yourself, and how much you're delivering in your execution and just being present in your life? 0 to 10, where would you rate yourself? Please comment below and share with us. Not only that, we are going to give you a blend to help you to live in your excellence, raise those standards, and have the desire to show up in that way and to be resourceful and creative with what you have. It's amazing, the resources we have. It's actually obnoxious. They say the average person has about 300,000 items in their home, in the average American home. Isn't that crazy? So I think you can whip something up with what you got. All right, so here is a blend for you. It will consist of, it's a diffuser blend. It will consist of 2 drops of lime, 1 drop of cypress, 1 drop of lang lang, and 1 drop of petitgrain. So 2 lime, 1 cypress, 1 lang lang, and 1 petitgrain. All of those together will really enhance those features of the lime that I just outlined for you. So when you need that pep in your step, and you need to raise your standards, and you need to get creative and have some fun with it, and go to bed at night feeling so good about yourself that you really lived today, then diffuse that blend all day. And do share with us in the comments what you think, what it's done as well. Click on the link below if you would like to download 3 of my most popular blends from the I Am Fabulous book. And if you loved this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. A couple other videos I highly recommend are rest or laziness. Which one is it? And another one would be how to raise your money standards. That whole discussion about goals are not enough. It's all about your standards. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.